want to know the old one or nearly few silver warrior. I want to check if it's still working or not.
Yeah.
Maybe nearly fuse.
Yeah, maybe it's fuse. The other side. So it was working. It was the fuse which had blown.
Put this one again.
Which one?
This one.
There?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because I don't trust this number of this one.
Oh yeah.
What is that? Yeah, not seem like straight.
They are the same because it fits here.
It fits here.
Yeah.
I just put that one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
Better we put new one.
Like it could be you. Yeah, I can original.
What's it? I want to spare parts is original.
Yeah?
I want to spare parts.
The fact say original. Madam, you can put this original.
What?
This one. This one is original.
Original. No. Yeah, we can. But now since we, but I think we can just put this one.
Yeah, just put this one.
Okay. But since we disturbed that thing by putting some, so I was thinking maybe we disturbed it. Don't know, but let's try. It's original.
Book seller. Yeah, this one is the original.
Which one?
This one.
Okay.
This one is a new one.
Oh, wait for you confusing. This is Jianga.
May you switch on the key a little bit? Spanner, tomorrow morning I think we are going to give me a good spanner. you hand me that pin?
Which one?
No, the other pin that you put here.
Oh.
I want us to try it. Try it. Right. Try to start the engine. Oh, the battery now.
Calculate,